miniLAND presents how to connect a third-generation LED to an external source kit. These kits are exclusive to miniLAND and can be connected to all third-generation LED lights. The basic kit comes with 4 parts: an adapter, a battery box, an alternate base, and a double-sided tape. Begin by taking the alternate base received with the package and putting through it the adapter. Next, take the light that you want to connect to the external source and turn it on. This is important. While the light is still on, unscrew the bottom. Replace the battery with the previously assembled piece. Just put it back on. Notice that the wire can go through the hole in the bottom. Next, take the battery box. Make sure it has 1.5 volt batteries in it, not rechargeable since they have only 1.2 volts. Connect the wire to the battery box. There's only one way to do it. Now you can control it externally. If you want to glue the bottom of your lamp, you can cut a hole using a hole puncher and scissors on the double-sided tape. Then just place it on the bottom. Next, we will discuss creating plugs for power bars. Cut off the wire from the adapter. Split the wires into 2. Using strippers or your fingernails, peel off the wire cover. Repeat this process for the other wire. Put the wire through the bottom hole in the plug. Take the left wire and put it through the left hole. Using pliers, put the short side of one pin through the left hole. Repeat the same process on the right side. When you are done, pull the main wire from the bottom. Test the ends of your LED using a battery. Place the battery in between the 2 sides. When the light turns on, the side that is touching the positive end of the battery will be the positive. Mark it with a Sharpie. Connect the positive side of the LED to the positive side of the power bar. Turn on your battery box, and voila, there is light. For bigger projects, like dollhouses, you can use a large power bar connected to a transformer. Thank you for watching. You can order the product online at www.miniland.ca or call us at 1-866-995-1226.